Hey, so setting up YouTube videos can be a bunch of busy work, I know, and it really loses its charm after a while. But it's not just the time spent, but you can be making mistakes. And that is why I made with Pro, because there's nothing quite like this. Now, so this is a total default video that I just uploaded. We're gonna click on the optimized video, and let's see what happens. We're grabbing the transcript, title, and description. AI just optimizes everything. Also, we're adding the end screen, the one you set, and we're done. We added the tags, we added the playlist, we updated the description, we updated the title, and of course we added the end screen. And in order to set up the video, we used the previous title, the description, but most of all we used the transcript. If you're unhappy with the title, because it is likely that the first roll might not be entirely satisfactory, then you can generate more titles. Results, not skills, the only thing that matters. Right, we can go with that. So you can just roll this endlessly. Let's go with that. And keep in mind that we're on the edit page, so if I choose to, I can undo all of this. And because we are using the transcript, we can either upload the transcript and use that, or of course, you can wait for YouTube to generate the transcript. And the workflow that I would recommend is that you upload and save in draft mode, and then you optimize the video on the edit page, because you have more functionality here. All we would need to do at this stage is to add a thumbnail. I'm not managing that part of the process because truly AI is just not good enough to make a thumbnail for you. It can make a thumbnail, but not one that would help your video. At least not without your heavy interaction. Yet. Okay, so we have this, we can just save it, but most importantly, this would be entirely useless if we couldn't optimize it. So let's see what we have. So we have a bunch of quick options, like going to the homepage, dashboard, upload, my videos, playlist, analytics, and comments. So this could come in handy, but the most important part is the settings. So we are using a free Gemini API key. You can use this for free 1,500 times per day. So effectively, this is infinite. And keep in mind, you can just use it for all your channels. Of course, we have further customization. So what are we using for content generation? You can use the description, title, tags, but in this case, the transcript would be the main deal. And YouTube does like videos and titles that actually describe what the video is about. So you're not only skipping over the chore of writing a description and the tags, but also you are more likely target an audience that is likely gonna watch more of your video. By the way, just a pro tip here. When YouTube is showing your video, it tends to skip over the first line if it's not relevant. So that's why we write the description. Because if you write the description, YouTube might recommend your video a bit more, but most of all, people might click because they see that it is a relevant video. So in the search results, you will, or they will see this. Of course, there are early parts of it. Of course, we can customize the post-upload process too, what we want to fill, the title, description, and tags, and what playlists, if any, we want to add the video to. So if you want to add to 50 playlists, you can do that. Yet trying to do that on your own, that would be such a chore. You can customize the update behavior of whether you want to replace the tags or add to them. You can customize what kind of end screen, if any, you want. And also, you can have multiple profiles. My recommendation would be that just because you have multiple channels, and assuming you're using the same settings, you don't need multiple profiles. You can just, assuming you want to use the playlist, you can just add all the playlists that you want to be using, and they're gonna be ultimately selected for the relevant channels, which is what I'm doing. But of course, if you want profiles per channel, or perhaps even per style of video basis, you can absolutely have that. But just again, demonstrate how quick it is. We can just undo all the changes. So we are back to the initial stage, and we can click Optimize Video, And we're gonna use the transcript. Just grab that. And boom. So in like 10 seconds, well, if you want an end screen, then like at most 15, you're gonna have an optimized video. And if you're not happy with the title, then I guess you can just keep rolling on that. Let's see. Let's go with that. So that's it. I know it's good because I'm using it.